You can pretty much crumb coat this cake with anything. We're just going to use some regular buttercream icing. Got it sitting on a 6-inch board. Now my cake is 2 days old. I baked it and then stuck it in the refrigerator. So, but they're eating it tomorrow, so I didn't really care that. I'd like to have it at least 1 day old. But I usually bake Wednesday and then refrigerate, and then I'll crumb coat it on Thursday, decorate, crumb coat and cover it on Thursday, and then decorate on Friday, and then eat it on Saturday. So it's refrigerated, so it is it's very fresh. My turntable, let me go grab my turntable because that'll be a lot easier. What I've got is the non-skid underneath this so that it isn't moving on me. Nothing more annoying than trying to ice a cake and it moves away from you. The reason is my icing needs to be a little thinner, but I'm not going to thin it out. I'm stubborn that way, so just smooth it a little bit with my acetate. Okay. As far as I'm concerned, that's good enough. And what we're gonna do is take the top off this. It's a little sticky. I'm gonna put a little bit of powdered sugar around my cake just so that the rolled buttercream doesn't stick to the countertop here. For some reason, it looks like it's a little sticky today. And that's okay if we gotta wait, because rolled buttercream is repairable, and we will repair it. So it doesn't matter. All right. So, crumbly cake. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pull it off. That's it. Yes, you do want to come off the plastic. Other side. I know you really can't see that. Normally it doesn't stick to the vinyl, but it's a little humid, and I probably should have had a little more powdered sugar in my rolled buttercream. So it's sticking just a little bit. That's okay. All right, and then we can just pull out these creases. Just like you would with fondant. I'm going to smooth it. Rub out any imperfections we've got here. Actually, we're probably going to cover those up. Okay. Cut the excess off. And then we're going to smooth it out. So let's get it. Okay, let's cut this excess off. And then we will smooth it. A little frosting there. Hold it steady for me. A little bit of powdered sugar, get rid of that shine. A little powdered sugar on these so they don't stick. On the cake so it doesn't stick. So we're having a sticky day. Okay, so that's looking pretty good.